Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your character in Skate 4. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just hit the options button on your controller. Then here we need to select the skater tab. For that, just hit LB or L1. Then go to the appearance. Right here you'll able to change the skin tone. So you can just choose whichever skin tone you prefer. And once you do that, just underneath of that you'll able to see the option for undertone. You can adjust that too. You can adjust height, you can change the build as well. And if you scroll you'll able to see the body shape, so you can increase or decrease the chest size, hip size, as well as back and all that kind of stuff. Just next to that we have the option for face shape. Here you can just choose the face shape you like. Next to that we have texture, and here you can increase or decrease the maturity. If you want to have freckles on the face, you can adjust that too. You can have moles on your face. You can add acne scars, or if you want to go for vitiligo you can do that too. Just next to that we can change the hairstyle of the player. Now scroll and you'll able to see the hair color available. Now you can change the shade. Next to that we need to choose the eyebrows. You can change the color of the eyebrows too. You can adjust the shade as well. Now same goes with eyes. Next to that we need to choose the nose. Then right here you'll able to change the mouth. If you want to have beard on your face, then you can get that on the facial hair tab like this. You can change the color of the beard too. And next to that we can adjust the expression like default stance, locomotion and voice. And once you're done with this, just get back from this and you can see the character is now changed. If you want to change things like accessories, t-shirts and all that kind of stuff, that can be editable from the apparel section. Right here you can just change the t-shirt, then you can equip the bottom. Here you will able to change the shoes as well as outfits. Underneath of that you have the option for accessories, and here you will able to wear some glasses or hats. And yeah, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you can change your character in Skate 4. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.